Do you want to avoid breaking the tips while sharpening the charcoal pencils? And also, do you want to know how to get sharp tip even while sharpening the charcoal pencils? Then this is the right video for you. Watch the video till end so that you are going to learn some important tips about sharpening the charcoal pencils. Usually charcoal pencils are softer compared to the graphite, so when you use a regular sharpener like this, you might experience a lot of lead breakage. You can see the lead breakage here. So this is what happens when you are using the regular sharpeners. And if the lead is already broken inside, then also whatever the sharpening method you use, so we'll see the lead breakage. To avoid that, what you have to do is you have to avoid dropping your pencil forcefully on the surface. You have to keep them safely without dropping. So that is one tip. Yes, let's say if you have maintained your pencils really well, you have not dropped them anywhere, but still if you are experiencing the lead breakage, look at this sharpening method. So instead of using a sharpener, you use this kind of pencil cutter knife. Hold the pencil tightly here and sharpen like this. So here you are just removing the wood of the pencil. You are not touching the lead, okay? Here you will also get very long tip. So once you remove the wood, now you use sandpaper like this. So you just have to gently rub this tip of the pencil here to get the sharp tip. So here you are not only getting the sharp tip and you are also getting the long tip, okay? And even while doing this also you have to be very gentle, don't apply force. While rubbing on the sandpaper, rotate the pencil like this. Yes, you can still get more sharper tip. You will just have to rub it for longer time. See, now you have a long tip and also the tip is sharp. If you want a easy method, you can use this kind of Derwent sharpener. So here also you will avoid the lead breakage to the maximum. Let's see. So here within few seconds you are getting long and sharp tip. Here you don't even have to waste your time. If you want to check this sharpener, check the link in the description. I hope you have learned how to sharpen the charcoal pencils, and if you like this video, leave a comment below. Also comment what type of content you would like to see in this channel. So here I have made a tutorial about how to draw portrait using a charcoal. So if you are someone who is keen about learning charcoal portrait drawing, and check this video at the end screen.